Hey sis, Sierra here with Sierra Silver Naturally, here to show you one of my favorite go-to hairstyles, flat twist with Rosalines. There are multiple ways that you can do it, but one of the ways that I have found gives me the most volume and definition I'm going to show you in just a second. I love doing this type of hairstyle because I basically get anywhere between 5 and 7 days with this hairstyle, and each day my hair gets a little bigger and bigger and bigger, and I love it.
Oh, just to preface, this is not it. This was something totally different that I did. I used some new products and something different. I'm testing some stuff out. So this is not the flat twist hairstyle. You're gonna see that in a minute. But
I am so excited to show you. I hope that you can pick up a few tips, learn a few things from the video. Let's head on over, shall we? Come on, let's go. I'm not really going nowhere. I'm just, yeah, let's watch the video. Come on. Let's dive right in here, shall we? I'm starting with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair that I actually towel dried with a t-shirt. And then I'm going to use the Tresemme heat protectant there that I'm going to brush through just before I blow dry my hair. Now the purpose of blow drying is not to get it completely bone like dry basically, but I'm just trying to get it to a damp dry so that it will dry faster overnight versus me twisting it while it's still soaking wet, because I actually have to wear this style in the morning. Now I do not claim to be a expert at flat twisting, but I can do it well enough to get the job done. So I'm going to show you guys a close-up on how I flat twist. Again, it's not perfect, guys, but it does well enough to get the job done. The product that I'm using here is the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go. It smells divine. I love it. I love it. I'll probably show you a picture of that here soon, but I absolutely love that product. It just smells divine. But here we go. Close up on flat twisting. Alright guys, so what I'm basically trying to do is just kind of twist the hair on itself using 2 strands. And again, I'm not perfect at this. I probably would never wear this out. It's just good enough to wear overnight and hope that it looks right in the morning. Okay. Again, I'm going to put rods on the ends of my hair here. I actually use 1 rod per strand, and I am twirling my wrist or like twisting my wrist as I go up, which will basically help it to dry in a coil, which when I open my hair, it will give it more volume and more definition. Same thing for the reason why I'm using 2 rods per flat twist there. Basically by doing that, it will again give me more definition and more volume. Now the products that I'm using here are the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Curl Primer, Defining Gel Oil, and the Revival Oil. Now I feel that the Defining Gel Oil, while moisturizing, it did not provide much hold, so I also used the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel just to give me more hold for this hairstyle. Now by doing this, sometimes I will have to twist the 2 strands together again just to make sure that it doesn't unravel. As you can see, I was very excited to be finished with this process. This probably took me about an hour to do. It was such a long process, actually probably more than that. I think it's probably about an hour and a half, blow drying and everything. Here we are, next morning. Good morning. As you can see, I was saying that I was so tired. But when I unravel, I'm going to show you a close-up here. When I unravel, same thing as what I did when I actually twirled it or actually twisted it up. I'm going to roll my wrist as I go. Here we go, slow motion. Roll my wrist as I unravel, and that will help to make sure that you do not have frizzy hair. And it will help you to maintain all the definition that you, there we go, roll your wrist is what I'm saying there. And you can kind of see how it's a coil here. Oh yeah, that looks really good. One and only argan oil, my favorite oil like in the whole wide world. I love that oil so much. So that's the oil that I use as I'm opening it. I also spray a little bit of the coconut custard, Make It Last oil as well on there as I'm opening it. Basically, one of the keys to opening your hair when you have flat twists is one, you want to go slowly and make sure that you are very carefully opening up the twist so that you do not create frizz, and you also want to make sure that your hands remain really oiled. I love doing flat twists because you get so much definition and you get so much more volume than what you would if you were doing a regular twist, two-strand twist there. Okay, all right guys, this process takes forever. Yeah, okay, but shake your hair out as much as you need to, flip your hair over, pick it out, all of that. But as you can see, it doesn't look too bad. It's pretty good. I like to use for my edges a mix of edge control and gel. I mix it together. This helps it to spread on easier for me, and I also notice that it lasts longer too when I mix the two. So I use the olive oil edge control there, and I have a huge tube of the Eco Styler olive oil gel as well that I got at my local beauty supply store. And I just brush that on there. Look at that. It's pretty good. Shake it, girl. Shake it, girl. So if you have any questions about the products that I use, or how I do my flat twist or anything like that, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Now guess what? I have something for you. I'm actually going to be giving away one of my favorite products. It is the My Oil Organics Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. I love this deep conditioner. Whenever I use it, my hair comes out feeling super soft, silky, and very strong as well. It has like proteins and such in it. You're gonna love it. Now, in order for you to enter into this giveaway, what you're gonna have to do is a couple things. One, I need you to go down below and comment your Instagram name. I am going to actually go live on Black Friday and announce the winner. So you also need to follow me on Instagram as well, so you can make sure you can get that update. All right, so again, comment your Instagram name below, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is also below. You'll see it in the comments, or see it in the description box below. Okay? And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you again. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Give me a second. Testing. Test. Yeah, just. In case y'all ain't know, it's just me and here. Ain't nobody else in here. It's just, yeah.